Qualitum Live Publish makes page publishing a breeze. With the ease of using Microsoft Word, you can add text, photos, and videos, format everything as required, and publish to SharePoint publishing pages. Qualitum Live Publish makes the process of creating SharePoint publishing pages simple and eliminates the need for you to learn HTML. Simply build your web page in Microsoft Word and publish it. Qualitum Live Publish can install into either Office 365 or SharePoint Server and will support your varied SharePoint publishing endpoints. So we are going to open Microsoft Word and add the app to start publishing. Once Word has loaded, go to the Insert tab, select the Apps drop-down and select My Apps. The Apps for Office dialog will load. Select Store and type in Live Publish to search the Office store. You'll see the Live Publish trial app will be listed. Click on Live Publish and the app splash screen will display. Select Trust It and the app will now load in Microsoft Word. The first thing to do is register your username and password. Scroll down and select the Register button. This will take you to the registration page. Complete the details, that is, email and password. Please note the email address you register must be associated with Office 365 or a Microsoft Windows Live account. This is so we can add you to the Office 365 trial site. Complete the registration details and confirm the license agreement. Once you've registered, we will send you a confirmation email. The email will contain the trial site login details for you to log in and trial Qualitum Live Publish. During the trial, we support you publishing to 2 SharePoint endpoints. The first is a SharePoint trial site, of which the credentials are forwarded to you via email. The second trial site is our Office 365 site. Once the registration process is complete, return to Microsoft Word and enter your username and password. Select the Remember Me checkbox and select Login. Once logged in, the dashboard screen will appear. From the dashboard screen, select the SharePoint trial web location. A Windows login screen will appear. The reason this pops up is that you are on another domain and it needs the correct credentials to be passed in. Type Q/trial as the username and trial, all in lowercase, as the password. This will connect to our SharePoint trial site. Once connected, there should be 2 tabs, Publish and Open. The Publish tab allows you to publish the current Word document as a web page, as the Word document itself, or as a PDF rendition of the document. First off, I'm going to take you through the web page publishing process. Switch to the Word document and scroll through the document, making sure you've completed editing. You'll see the current document has heading styles, paragraph text, images, and links to external websites. This document is now ready for publishing. Select Web Page as the document type. Select Pages as the library and scroll down and enter the title and name of the file you would like the document to be. And press Save. The app is now converting the current Word document to HTML and creating the publishing page in SharePoint. The return screen is now loaded, containing a link to the newly published page. Click on the link to load the page, and you'll see the rendition of the document converted to a SharePoint publishing page. You'll notice, as you're scrolling through the page, that the images have been automatically uploaded into SharePoint. Live Publish will not only upload the images as part of the publishing process, it also optimizes the images on the way through. Select the Finish button to return to the Publishing tab. The next thing I want to show you quickly are the Save As features. On the Publish tab, select the Word button. This will load the SharePoint file picker and enable you to select where the Word document is to be stored. Select a folder within the file picker, add a title and file name, and select Save. In the same way the app converted the current Word document to HTML, it's now saving the current Word document to SharePoint. The return screen is now loaded, containing a link to the newly published docx file. Click on the link to load the document and you'll see the exact same content. The difference is that it now exists in SharePoint as a different file name. Select the Finish button to return to the Publishing tab. And the last of the Save As features is saving as a PDF. On the Publish tab, select the PDF button. This will load the SharePoint file picker and enable you to select where the PDF document is to be stored. Select a folder within the file picker, add a title and file name, and select Save. In the same way the app converted the Word document to HTML, it's converting the Word document to a PDF document in SharePoint. The return screen is now loaded containing a link to the newly published PDF document. Click on the link to load the PDF and you'll see the exact same content saved as a PDF document. Select the Finish button to return to the Publishing tab. One of the coolest features in Live Publish is the Open tab. This is where you can select an existing web page, convert it and open it in Word with the Live Publish app open in the right-hand task pane. You can then proceed to make any necessary changes to the page and then publish it back out again as a web page using the Publish tab as previously shown. Select the Open tab. Select the folder and file you want to open and press Open. A new instance of Microsoft Word will load with the uploaded and converted HTML. You can now proceed to change the document and then publish it back out to SharePoint. This allows you to continue to make changes to any web page that needs updating whilst you're in the Live Publish app. So what you've just seen is the Qualitum Live Publish app at work to help the user publish content from Microsoft Word to SharePoint as either a web page, as a native docx file, or as a PDF document. So let's recap. Live Publish is a truly integrated Word and SharePoint app using the new Office app model. This means there's zero deployment to the desktop as the user simply picks the app from the Office Store or Organisation app catalogue. Using Microsoft Word as the editor, users no longer need to learn complex HTML and CSS. They simply open Microsoft Word, create their content, and publish to SharePoint or Office 365. Live Publish will convert the Microsoft Word document into a SharePoint publishing page. As a fully integrated Microsoft Word task pane app, Qualitum Live Publish offers the convenience of being open in Microsoft Word as the user is editing the publishing page document. There is no need to leave Microsoft Word to manage this content in SharePoint or Office 365. All management and publishing features are available via the Qualitum Live Task Pane app. Live Publish gives you the flexibility of saving to any of the supported formats directly into SharePoint and Office 365 quickly and easily. The Save As feature means that Live Publish supports publishing out as HTML as native docx format and will also convert the docx to PDF format. And the coolest feature of Live Publish is the ability to open another publishing page whilst editing the first page. This allows for the easiest and quickest way to update existing web pages in SharePoint. For more information on Qualitum Live Publish, you can go to the Office Store and search for either Qualitum or Live Publish. This will take you to the Office Store app page where you can download a free trial. The trial for Live Publish is free, and should you wish to purchase Live Publish for your on-premise SharePoint or Office 365 SharePoint, please contact one of our sales staff at sales@qualitum.com or go to our website at qualitum.com for more information.